Scientists are not easily scared, but these discoveries made even them pause. Not because of ghosts, not because of aliens, but because of what they mean for us. Right now, the world feels normal. You wake up, you scroll, you work, you sleep. But under the surface, strange things are happening, and most people have no idea. Here are 10 recent discoveries that have scientists deeply concerned. Number 10. A massive crack growing in Africa. A huge crack has been spreading across East Africa. The ground is literally splitting apart. Roads are breaking. Land is sinking. This is not just damage. It is a tectonic shift. Africa is slowly breaking into two pieces. Scientists say a new ocean could form in millions of years. That sounds far away, but the speed of change shocked experts. The Earth is not as stable as we think. Number 9. Oceans turning strange colors. Satellite images show parts of the ocean changing color. Blue waters are turning green. Why tiny life forms called plankton are shifting. Warmer water changes where they live. Plankton feeds fish. Fish feed us. When the base of the food chain moves, everything above it shakes. Scientists fear this could change global fishing, food supply, and oxygen levels. The ocean controls our climate, and it is changing fast. Number 8. A mysterious signal from deep space. Radio telescopes picked up a repeating signal from far beyond our galaxy. It pulses, it repeats. It does not match normal patterns. No, this does not mean aliens, but it does mean we do not fully understand the universe. Some signals repeat every few minutes, others every few hours. The scary part: we do not know what causes them. Space is quiet. When something speaks, scientists listen. Number 7. A super fungus spreading worldwide. A deadly fungus called Candida auris is spreading across hospitals. It survives on surfaces. It resists many medicines. It spreads fast. Doctors struggle to treat it. This is not like a normal infection. It is harder to kill. Experts believe climate change may have helped it adapt. It adapted to warmer temperatures, including the human body. If more fungi evolve like this, medicine may face a serious challenge. Number 6. AI discovering things humans cannot explain. Artificial intelligence is now solving problems in seconds. Problems that would take humans years. But here is the twist. Sometimes AI gives answers without showing clear steps. It predicts protein shapes. It finds new materials. It spots patterns in data. Yet scientists do not always understand how it reached the answer. When machines think in ways we cannot fully trace, it creates a new fear. We are building tools that may soon think beyond us. Not evil, not dramatic, just faster. Number 5. Ice melting from below. Antarctica is not just melting from warm air. Warm ocean water is attacking it from underneath. Huge ice shelves are thinning. Some are cracking. If they collapse, sea levels could rise much faster than expected. Cities near coasts would feel it first. Scientists say the pace of melting is ahead of many old predictions. Nature is not waiting. Number 4. Microplastics inside human brains. Microplastics have been found in blood, in lungs, even in the human brain. Tiny plastic pieces from bottles, clothes, and packaging enter our bodies. We still do not know the long-term effects. Do they cause inflammation, memory problems, disease? Research is ongoing, but one thing is clear. There is no part of Earth untouched by plastic, not even us. Number 3. A sleeping virus in melting ice. As glaciers melt, ancient viruses locked in ice for thousands of years are being exposed. Some are harmless, some are unknown. Scientists revived a 48,000-year-old virus in a lab. It was still infectious. That does not mean disaster. But it proves something important. Old microbes can survive frozen for ages. As ice melts faster, we may uncover things our immune systems have never seen. Number 2. Earth's magnetic field weakening. Earth has a magnetic shield. It protects us from solar radiation. But this field is slowly weakening in one region called the South Atlantic Anomaly. Satellites passing through it experience glitches. If the magnetic field weakens more, radiation levels could increase. Power grids and communication systems might face risk. A full magnetic reversal takes thousands of years. But changes are happening now, and we are deeply connected to electricity. Number 1. Climate tipping points closer than expected. Scientists once believed certain climate tipping points were far away. Now, data suggests some may be near. The Amazon rainforest losing its ability to recover. Ice sheets reaching points of no return. Ocean currents slowing. A tipping point means once crossed, change speeds up on its own. No reset button. No quick fix. The fear is not just warming. It is runaway change. Now pause for a second. None of these discoveries mean the end of the world tomorrow. But they reveal something bigger. We are entering a new era. An era of fast change, faster than politics, faster than habits, faster than most people realize. Here is why that matters to you. The world rewards awareness. If oceans change, industries change. If AI grows, jobs change. If climate shifts, cities change. Every discovery is also a signal. Adapt early or struggle later. The people who win in uncertain times are not the smartest. They are the most alert. They watch trends, they prepare, they learn new skills. They stay flexible. Fear can freeze you, or it can wake you up. Scientists are not terrified because they think humanity is doomed. They are concerned because they see how complex and connected everything is. Pull one thread, and the system moves. We built a global world. Global trade, global tech, global food supply. That means global consequences. But here is the powerful truth. Humans adapt. We survived ice ages, plagues, world wars. We innovate when pressure rises. Solar energy is growing. AI helps detect disease early. Ocean cleanup projects are expanding. Young entrepreneurs are building climate tech companies. The same intelligence that created problems can create solutions. But only if we pay attention, only if we move early. The biggest danger is not discovery, it is denial. It is scrolling past change. It is thinking, this won't affect me. It will, maybe through food prices, maybe through jobs, maybe through weather, maybe through technology. The future will not ask permission. It will arrive. The question is simple. Will you be ready? Right now, most people focus on short-term drama. Celebrity news, viral trends, arguments online. Meanwhile, real shifts are happening quietly. In labs, in oceans, in space, in data centers. The next decade will reshape how we live. Energy systems will change, transportation will change. Healthcare will change, education will change. The people who understand change early gain an advantage, not because they panic, but because they prepare. Learn about AI, understand climate risk, build flexible income streams. Invest in skills that cannot be automated easily. Stay informed. Curious minds survive faster futures. Every discovery on this list is a warning, but also an invitation to level up, to think long-term, to care about science, to ask better questions. What world are we building? What systems are fragile? Where are opportunities hiding inside chaos? When scientists look worried, it is not for headlines. It is because the data tells a story. And that story says, change is accelerating. You can fear that. Or you can write it. History shows something important. Every major shift creates winners and losers. The printing press changed knowledge. The internet changed communication. AI will change work. Climate change will change geography. The only real mistake is assuming nothing will change. Because everything is 10 discoveries, 10 signals, 10 reminders that the future is not slow. It is speeding up. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and never ignore the quiet warnings of science. Because those who understand the future shape it.